Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. I am Marissa, and in today's video I'll be doing an everyday kind of simple makeup, like how I do my makeup basically. So if you want to see the makeup look, just stay tuned.
But I cannot take your place, you cannot take your space. This fact I cannot erase. Ooh, Lord, ooh, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are.
Before you watch this video, make sure please subscribe to my channel. Press the post notification bell next to it so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. I am on the road to 5K. Thank you guys so much for the support. Yeah. So before doing your makeup, make sure that your face is all like clean, washed properly and all those stuff before placing the makeup on your face. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my face, and primer is used to keep on like the makeup and all of that, to hold the makeup and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna prime my face. Yeah. And this is a natural like primer, homemade primer, and it kind of like sticky, get sticky like texture and all of that. So now that I done like priming my face, I'm gonna go in now with the foundation. So now that I have on my foundation, I'm gonna blend in my foundation like in my whole face. When purchasing foundation, make sure that you have a color that is similar to your skin color. You don't want something too white or too dark, so make sure look for your skin color. So I'm gonna blend it in right now. So this is how my foundation is looking after I blend it in. So I'm gonna go in now with my concealer. So I'm gonna conceal my face like right now. So this is my concealer, and I'll be blending it in right now. And as I take my concealer and I place it on my chin, under my eye, as close as possible, like under my eye and on my forehead and underneath my nose. So I'm gonna blend it now. So now that my face is like concealant, so I'm gonna now go in with my setting powder. Yeah, now I set like my concealer and all of that and set my face. So now that I have on my setting powder, while my setting powder is on, I'll be lining my lips and under my eyes, and I'll also be putting on my eyeshadow. So yeah. So now that I already like line my eyes and all of that stuff, I now will be like patting away my setting powder, and I will not be using any contour or anything like that. I'm just gonna like put on my lip gloss and my lashes, and that's basically it. Then I'm gonna take some clip with my ring light and show you guys how this looking.